Hey guys, I'm gonna walk you through my newest listing in Ferndale, and let's take a look at the street. So it's right off the main street right there. Nice wide road or street, and then this is the house, and there's about 3 more homes just across this little bridge. This would be the side yard, how you get into the side yard, and the garage, 1-car garage, but it's like a little workshop right here. This is because we did get the sewer lateral done, so you can feel good about that being done, and the landscaper is going to come out and get that fixed. Okay, so we've got steps, just a few steps, but listen, I just love Ferndale, right? And this is all just field back there too, so the house is just pretty secluded, even though it's just right here in town. This would be the walking into the, we'll call this the family room, and that way's to the bedrooms, but I'm going to take you this way first. We have the kitchen, which I love how the kitchen's situated because it's right between the living room, so dining room and then living room, and then we just came through the family room, so it's right in between the two, so it really is the center hub for the whole house. Bread box, who doesn't love a bread box? Yay. A shelf for the microwave, so it's really nice because it raises it off your countertop, but you don't have to pay the $300 to $500. You could just get a regular microwave. Dishwasher, that is a trash compactor right there. We don't see those all the time. And we have a that's an electric range. Now, something interesting about Ferndale to talk about is that it's on propane. The whole city is on propane, so all of your gas will be propane, which is why that's a gas fireplace there. Look at how beautiful these floors, hardwood floors, ceiling fan, and then the slider right out to the backyard, which is all fenced in. So if you have animals or kids, that is really nice. This takes us back to the front door. And, okay, what would you put here if this was your house? I think that would be an old telephone holder, I think, but now it needs a new life. Bedroom 1, and you see the windows are nice and high. These old closets, which I love these closets, they remind me of like older homes, but how they have the built-in storage, which is nice. I feel like I'm using that word a lot. Nice. Bathroom, so we have tile, and then tile surround, and then a nice good sized tub, which is always good. Window, some storage, and the cabinet, and then here's our toilet with a little bit of storage above. Some hallway storage. Let's check this out. Yes, hall storage for towels right next to the bathroom, which is great. Now this is being used as a den, but I just came through the door as if that were a regular bedroom door, and then that was where the closet at one time was, but it's been opened up to be a den. So this opens with extra storage too, opens to back to the family room. So if you were working from home, that's a really great space. Down the hallway, we're gonna go to the primary. Oh, more storage in the hall. Great place for games, more storage. Love this. I love those little details. You don't find those in new construction anymore. And then this is the primary bedroom. But what I want to bring your attention to is the sunroom right here, which is probably one of my favorite features just because I currently now have a sunroom myself. Yeah, it is so much warmer in here. Oh my gosh. What a great space. Obviously you can hang clothes here. Look at these huge windows out to the backyard. So nice, so nice. Okay, back to the primary. So it has its own sunroom, has its own walk-in closet with lots and lots of storage in here.